the Institute, one of the most challenging things I find in my teaching is teaching people how to double clutch, all right? A manual transmission. So we train on your standard 10 speed, all right? And shifting the truck, it's a synchronized transmission, so you have to match your road speed and your engine speed, all right? So we'll get into that in just a moment when we get in the truck. But why am I sitting here with this plunger? Okay, because when you're double clutching, it's all about tempo. Literally, it's about tempo. Because when you get out of rhythm and shifting a synchronized transmission, you'll miss gears and you'll just have a tough shifting day. Okay, so buy your plunger, go by the dollar store, and we're gonna practice on rhythm. Okay, so we're just gonna go gear, neutral, gear, neutral, gear, neutral, gear, neutral, gear. And this is how you have to shift. Your left leg and your right hand have to move together. Watch my left leg and my right hand. I'm in gear right now. Neutral, gear. You see that left leg and my right hand? Watch them. Neutral, gear. Every time your left leg moves, your right hand should be moving, and they are literally in sync together. Watch this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Neutral gear, neutral gear, neutral gear, neutral gear. This is key. It's very key. It's literally to rhythm, okay? So I want you to go get you a plunger, and we're gonna practice to the beat. Because this is key, because when you get in the truck and you start shifting, you have to be in rhythm. So I went and I found me a little beat here, and we just gonna shift to the beat. Y'all ready? I like hip hop. You hear that beat? Here we go. Neutral gear. Neutral gear. Neutral gear. Dance with it, bounce with me. Yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2. Left leg, right hand. Come on. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. Yo, I'm truck driving, rolling down the road. Don't you know? See, y'all thought I was gonna start throwing them bars on you. I'm not gonna do that to you. Left leg, right hand, come on. My left leg and my right hand are moving together. Hey, just like that. 1, 2. Keep it going, 1, 2. That's how you have to stay in rhythm when you're shifting. Yeah. 85, I'm coming southbound to Tuskegee. Place of my birth on the lake where we take it. Don't be deceived by the plenty get blink. Back when we was youngsters playing ball in the field. Not old enough to cheat, but soon you know we gon' pop knuckles, honey, so. Y'all see what I'm saying? You gotta keep that flow. I'm truck driving, y'all. We truck driving, y'all. We truck driving, y'all. We truck driving. Hey, here we go. 1, 2. Put your hands up. 3, 4. Put your hands down. 1, 2. Put your hands up. This horrible. You're not gonna be doing this on the road. But in all seriousness, it's all about rhythm. 1, 2. 1, 2. Neutral gear. Right hand, left, neutral gear. All right, we going to the truck next, y'all. Y'all ready? Let's go. So now we're in the truck and we're gonna talk about shifting, all right? Manual, double clutching, upshift, downshift, all right? So hopefully you got your rhythm together. The rhythm is very important. Now, let's look at this gear pattern right here. We have our 10 gears. You have 1 here, you have 2 here, you have 3 here, 4 and 5, all right? When you see 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, Those are what we call the high side of the transmission. That's when you get to the higher speeds. But starting out, we're going to be in what we call the pulling gears, okay? So let's look at this gear shift. Right now, this is neutral. So you go neutral. This is first gear. That's 1. Neutral, 2. Neutral, 3. Neutral, 4. Neutral, 5. It's kind of like an M pattern. It's like you at the bottom of the ear, I'm here, 1, neutral, 2, neutral, 3, neutral, 4, neutral, 5. So again, that's 1, neutral, 2, neutral, 3, neutral, 4, neutral, 5. And this is the selector switch where you split this on the high side, and then that's how you go to 6, 7, neutral, 8, neutral, 9, neutral, 10, okay? But we're gonna stay on the low side because this is the beginning, all right, for beginners. So what you're gonna do, remember what I said about the left leg right here and the right hand. So as we release the brakes and we're driving, let's drive a little bit. So when your truck gets to 12 to 1500 RPM, watch this, 1, 2, that's rhythm. Between 12 to 1500 RPM, neutral 3. 1200 to 1500 RPM, neutral 4. Neutral 5. Touch the brake, go in on the clutch, come to a safe stop. We're going to first gear again. That's neutral, first gear. So we're driving. You drive, and watch the rhythm. Boom, 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 boom. Whenever I shift, that's rhythm. Boom, 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 boom. Rhythm. 1, 2. Rhythm. 1, 2. Now this is where it gets a little tough, but what we want to do is we're going to downshift at 1000 RPM. And when you downshift, it's 3 movements. It's clutch, gas, clutch. When you're upshifting, it's clutch, clutch. All right? Downshifting is clutch, gas, clutch. So let's look at a downshift. We're at 1000 RPM. We're going to downshift from 5 to 4, 3 movements. 1, gas, 4. 1, gas, 3. 1, gas, 2. 1, gas, 1. As we drive, upshift, 1, 1. That's clutch, clutch. Drive. Clutch, clutch. Drive. Clutch, clutch. Drive. Clutch, clutch. Drive. We're going to downshift. Clutch, gas, clutch. Let it slow down. Clutch, gas, clutch. Let it slow down. Clutch, gas, clutch. Let it slow down. Clutch, gas, clutch. Drive, upshift, clutch, clutch to 2. Upshift, clutch, clutch to 3. Upshift, neutral 4. Upshift, neutral 5. Let's drive a little bit. Let's go to the high side. Split it, and we're going to go to 6 gear. 1, 2. We're all the way in 6 now. We're moving. Let's go to 7. 1, 2. We're moving. Now we're going to slow down to 1000 RPM and downshift to 6. Clutch, gas, clutch. And when you hit that gas, you got to bump it above 1000 RPM. We're going to downshift to 5. Clutch, gas, clutch. Slowing it down. Clutch, gas, clutch. Slowing it down. Going to 3. Clutch, gas, clutch. That's 3. Clutch, gas, clutch. That's 2. Clutch, gas, clutch. That's 1. Let's go back up to 7 again. 1, 2. Neutral gear. That's 4th gear. 3rd gear. Neutral gear. That's 4. Neutral gear. That's 5. I'm splitting the selector. 6 is where 1 is. 1, 2. Now I'm in 6th gear on the high side. That's where 1 is. Now I'm gonna go to 7th gear where 2 is on the low side, but we're on the high side. 7 and 2, they're in the same place. Okay, because when you're on the high side of the transmission, 7 is where 2 is. All right, let's try 7. 1, 2. That's 7. All right, and on the high side, 8th is where 3 is on the low side. Making sense? All right, we're gonna go to 8th gear. We're in 7 now. Watch the smooth transition. 1, 2. We're in 8th gear. Now we're gonna downshift to 7. Clutch, gas, clutch. Let's downshift to 6. Clutch, gas, clutch. Let's downshift to 5. Split the selector, clutch, gas, clutch. Let's downshift to 4. Clutch, gas, clutch. Downshift to 3. Clutch, gas, clutch. Downshift to 2. Clutch, gas, clutch. Downshift to 1. Clutch, gas, clutch. So if you remember, upshifting is clutch, clutch. Clutch, clutch. In rhythm. Clutch, clutch. In rhythm. Clutch, clutch. In rhythm. Split the selector, 6 is where 1 is. Going to 7, clutch, clutch. That's upshifting, clutch, clutch. Downshifting is clutch, gas, clutch. Don't forget to bump the gas above 1,000 or right to 1,000. Clutch, gas, clutch. Let it slow down. Clutch, gas, clutch. We're slowing down. We got some traffic ahead. And it's so very important for you first to understand how to properly double clutch before you float gears. Because trying to float gears without knowing how to properly double clutch, it's kind of like trying to do algebra without understanding addition, subtraction, and division. You have to understand the fundamentals of shifting first. So it's very important to learn how to double clutch properly. And after you learn how to double clutch, then you can start floating gears, okay? And that's when you've developed the skill where you can understand how the synchronized transmission works, and you don't have to go really deep in on the clutch, because now you can just float the gears from one gear to the other, one gear to the other, okay? But learn how to double clutch first. And this is very important. What makes a great shifter is not someone that don't miss gears, because I've been shifting for many, many years, over 20 years, and I still miss a gear here and there. But this is the thing. What makes a great shifter is someone who can fix it within the length of the truck, okay? So if you miss a gear, it's important that you fix it within the length of the truck. And that's why it's important that you know the speed for each gear. And we can get into that on another video. But right now, I just want to show you the fundamentals of shifting. And know what makes a great shifter is someone who fixes it within the length of the truck. That's about safety, because you don't want to be rolling out of control. That's shifting, y'all, right here on Mr. B's Trucking Institute, where we find solutions and not excuses.